Hello everyone and welcome back to The Simple Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the following error. So when I open my Daedalus wallet, like so, this message pops up and it says error, Daedalus improperly started. Please start Daedalus using the icon in the Windows Start menu or using Daedalus icon on your desktop. Now, in order to fix this error, what we're gonna have to do is make a right click onto the shortcut and then go to Properties. And so then in the target field right here, we can see which file it is opening. And as you can see here, it's Daedalus mainnet.exe, which is the wrong exe file to open. So instead, what we're gonna want to put in here is the following: cardano-launcher.exe, like so. And so then let's hit apply and OK. And then if I try again, as you can see, now the error is gone and it opens properly. So in case you're getting this error when opening a Daedalus from the taskbar, like so, then the issue will likely be that this is also referencing the wrong exe. So let me just remove this, unpin this from the taskbar, and show you the right way to pin the Daedalus wallet to your taskbar. So instead, what you're going to want to do is use the shortcut that links to the right exe file. Make a right click on that and then click pin to taskbar. And there you go. Now it's pinned to the taskbar. And if I open this one now, it'll also open properly. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.